Hey guys, it's me, Atharv Pateriya, and today I'm gonna tell you something very important. Today we're gonna learn how to do Scratch. It's a coding program. So let's start. First, we go to everything. Well, you don't need to. Basically, where you want to go is where Scratch 2. Scratch 2. Well, I will show you in my next video how to download Scratch 2. Stop. First, let's open Scratch 2. I'm only gonna explain you the basics today. So behind this cat that you see is called a background. You can change the background. Like you can change background like here from these options. You can click here, choose background from library, and they have tons of background options. But now you can also paint it, you can upload it, or you can even click a photo of it. Or another way to do that is to click here and go to backgrounds over here, and you can do the same options right here. Anyway, so let me tell you what this cat is. This cat is called a sprite. This cat here is called a sprite. And to select a new sprite, you can go to sorry, choose sprite from library. Once you click here, you can go down, 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 and you can there's like tons of new sprites. And after that, they are here. You can paint a new sprite, you can upload a new sprite, you can take a photo of a new sprite. Also, um, you a sprite has different costumes. When you click a costume, this is this sprite's costume. As I click there, it changes, and it's written here too. And some sprites have sounds. For example, this one has a meow sound. You might not be able to hear it, but that has sounds. Anyway, yeah. So now with this cat, imagine if I don't need this cat. My code. So wait, before I tell you that, I will tell you something more. This is called this with my mouse is called the panel, the sprite panel, and this is called the coding panel where you block the codes and different coding blocks, coding containers, like motion, look, sound, spin, data, events, control, sensing, operators, more blocks, and tons of others. Now let's back to go here. So this sprite, if I don't want it, I go to the scissor thing over. So delete, and you can click it and click it on the sprite. Boom, it's gone. So now let's take this bell, for example, to show you more examples what you can do with sprite. Example, this bell here. You want to like increase it. So you click on the grow side, and it will grow. If you want to shrink it, on the shrink side here, and it will shrink. Or you can even duplicate it by clicking here. If you want to watch this full screen, you can do it here. But yeah, keep one thing in mind. When it's here, I can move the bell whenever I want. But when I do full screen, no, you can't move the bell or anything. So full screen only run your program. Okay, now in the next video, I'll show how to download this. Till then, one final thing I'll teach you is how to save this. You go to File, and you do Save As. Exactly. Yes. Save As, and this will take you, and you can save it where you want. I'll name it Practice. You can name it anything else. Okay, guys. So if this is done, you can just cancel this out. Okay, guys. So I'm done with this. So any questions, comments, concerns, and you can put in the comments below, and I'll try to answer them in the next video. So, and also, thanks for watching.